Hello all. Today we are going to study about different management approaches. First of all, we are starting with what you mean by management. It is simply about getting things done by others. It's not an exact definition, but in simple words, we can say that it is about getting things done by others. And otherwise, the more good definition is that the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplished selected aims. That means the existence of every organization, they have a lot of objectives, lot of aims, the ultimate the ultimate function of every management to achievement of that particular aim or objective. The aim and objective may be vary between the organization. It may be different for a profit making organization, and also the aim of a charitable trust, it's differ. So for accomplishing this type of objectives, there are many approaches used for accomplishment of this type of objectives. And the according to Frederick W. Taylor, management is the art of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. And the other definition by Peter Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ that manage a business and manages managers and manages workers and work. This two definition, which is a 360-degree view of management. According to Taylor, he tells that management is the art of knowing what you want, what a company want, what a person want, and they want to do something, how it is done by the best way and how it is done by the cheapest way. In other side, according to Peter Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ that manage a business. The main function of management is it is the management of business and manages the managers and manage the workers and the work. So there is a three-dimension thing. Business, the manager, the management is the multi-purpose. The first purpose is to manage the business, and the second purpose is to manage the managers, and the third purpose is the workers and their work. Then what is the value of studying management? Because every organization, they need a good management, and every organization, they need an efficient and effective employees. And also management offers a challenging, exciting and creative opportunities for meaningful and fulfilling the work. And also obviously the last one, managers receive significant and monetary rewards for their effort. And the universal need of management in all sizes of organization, whether the organization is small, whether the organization is medium, whether the organization is large, all sizes of organization, they need management. And the second type, whether the organization is a profit making, whether the organization is a non-profit making, that means non-profit, that means charitable organization, they also need management. And also when we are thinking about the levels of organization, whether it is a lower level or a bottom level or middle level or top level, in all three levels we using the management principle. And also in other scenario, all organizational areas, whether it is manufacturing, human resource, accounting, information technology, or marketing. In all fields, we are using management.